Okay, okay, I'm back. Yeah, this is the same project we did earlier on. When I did, I just added a press button so that you can have 3 different stage. You can have it closer, medium, and further away. So now it's very close to me, as you can see. Now I'm going to change it, press it, and make it long. Okay, so it's put it a little bit further away. Okay, so this is long. The distance is like 150, 200, and you can adjust, make your own. You can have your own distance. Press it again, and it's close. Okay, you can see that changes. All right, it's the same principle, and the left is the trigger pin and the right is the, as you can see here, R, right, that's the echo, and the left is a trigger pin. Okay, so now, yeah, it's got different colors here. Okay, I think I'm gonna show the sketch. This is the sketch. It's the same principle. It's exactly the same as the earlier on, but with a press button. Let me see as a wave. Okay, this is not there. Okay, so it's got the same principle. We just add we just add on D3. We just, yeah, it's fine. You just leave it. We just added a button pin on D3. Okay, which is here. That's on D3. Okay, so all the rest is the same principle. I'm using a loose button because I don't have much space and wiring on the things. Maybe sometime it's good to have this connection type. Okay, so let's have a look at just not sure why it's not clear. It's very foggish. All right, let's go back to the codes. Okay, so now what we've done, a difference here. Okay, we have a range mode. Okay, this is the range mode. There's a range mode close, medium, and long. Okay, bottom state high, last bottom state high. Okay, so you need a bottom state when you press the button. Okay, so we got obviously initialize your pins, the trigger pin, echo pin, and button pin. Right. I could have used the I could have used a touch button to make it more fancy, or a rotary encoder. It probably would be more precise, but yeah, do another time. All right, so there we go, and let's do this is the distance, is still 400, and here it's the adjustment of the distance. We map the distance on basically on 50, 200, and 400. So okay, and that is the same principle and process, and there it is. And this will be displayed on on the top of the OLED screen, and the waves will be on the bottom. And there we are. Okay, let's try to push the button. Now it's a medium and it's changing. I shouldn't move far away though. And when it's closer, so if I move far away, as I move far away, become more space in between. And let's press it again. And now is long. Okay. Obviously long goes 400. So this is another idea that you can adjust it to make it more interesting, or choose your own correct distance. Remember that although they say that this ultrasounds, whatever you want to call it, I always get confused with this ultrasounds. I call it ultrasound. I'm very close now. That's why it's bouncing straight line. So let's call it an ultrasound, and it can go up to 2 or 3 to 4 meters. I have used it on 4 meters, and it does pick up sound. So yeah, correct. Okay, so I think it's exactly the same as the principle as earlier on, but now let's close up. As earlier on, it just has a button, press button. Okay, I will post this one and the codes on my channel, and we'll take it from there, guys. Thank you very much. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it.